Hey, Luke here, and today I've got something that I'm not the biggest fan of, but I picked one up. Thought it might be quite interesting to do a little review of it, and it is the Fidget Cube. So yeah, the Fidget Cube is an interesting one. I can completely understand why people use them. I do find them quite relaxing myself at times, but it's just one of those craze things that sort of like completely just took off like a rocket going straight into the sun. But exactly like a rocket going straight into the sun, it sort of just melted and completely just fell to bits, really. Yeah, you still see them around, but they're just not as crazes do. They just fizzle and die. But yeah, I just thought I would do a quick review on one of these. So yeah, obviously quite a lot of people know what a Fidget Cube is, but if you don't, you basically got 6 sides to a Fidget Cube, generally. So you've got the little clicky bit, you got the satisfying bit, that's just the little clicks going around. Got the little buttons of varying pressure, little ball and more clicky bits, a little joystick. Many an hour have I messed around with joysticks on gaming controllers anyway, I probably wrecked those. And then yeah, just this little stone bit here, this little sort of like flat stone. And yeah, that's all it is. That is literally it. I suppose the allure of these is that you're just supposed to mess around with them as you're doing work to relieve a bit of stress, fidget. But yeah, this was only a few years ago, but I believe I've got an alternative to this, which is much more a favourite of mine, which is, that's right, D20 dice. Yeah, icosahedrons, 30 edges and 20 sides. Yeah, absolutely love these things. I find these a lot more relaxing than Fidget Cubes. Literally just have like 2 or 3 in a hand. Just great fun, much more relaxing in my opinion. But yeah, I just love the variety that you can get, all the different sort of like colours and shapes. So let me see, we've got a D4 here, which is space, a little D4 here, just 1 to 4. That went right out of shot, try that again. There you go, 1 to 4, so it would just be a 4, because that would be what fell on the bottom side. You've then got your standard D6s, which many people probably know from like Monopoly and other games. So yeah, that's just a normal die roll as you would expect. That's like a 2. Then we have our D8s, which is starting to throw it up a little bit. It's like a double-sided pyramid. I have not done my geometric shapes in many years. And then yeah, you just normal roll again, out of shot again. That's a 5. Then you've got the let me get this right, D10s, which are a funky shape, which I would not be able to name. There we are, so that would just be on the top 3. D12s, oh, this is my favourite D12, funky purples. Rolling that, and that went right out of shot again. I'm terrible at rolling dice, really. That is a 10. For those of you who are counting, probably not, but it's fine. And then we've got the standard D20, which many of you may or may not know. D20 system for D&D, one of the most streamlined systems in my opinion. I just absolutely love it. Just 10, most average roll you can get. Yeah, just the 1s and 20s of the die being critical failures and critical hits respectively. But yeah, I thought I would share that. I find these so much more relaxing than... Oh, that was almost a drop there. Yeah, just find it much more relaxing than that. Just messing around, rolling a few dice. It's just so much more relaxing. Much more relaxing. Hey, Loke of Luke and Loke again. Thanks for watching the video. If you can like, comment and subscribe and all that other YouTube stuff that you know I absolutely just
can't stand. It just helps keep the channel going along smoothly. And of course, thank you once again for watching our videos. It really means a lot to us.